Dear students, you have already taken your unit test, and some of you have faced a problem during uploadation of your answer images. So we are providing you a app through which if you take the image of your answer sheet, the size will be considerably less, and consequently the uploadation time will also be less. That means if you take images through this app of your answer sheet, your uploadation process will be faster, and it will be beneficial for you. Now I want to show you a video, a demonstration video, through which you can see how you can take images of through this app, and how to install this app, number one, and number two, how to take images with the help of this app, and number three, how to upload images in your exam portal. Okay, now please see this video. First of all, a link will be given to you by your school. Here at the end of this button, you can see that a Google Play Store link is provided. You have to click that link, and it will be provided by your school through your messaging app. I'm playing this video. I'm clicking this link. After clicking this link, Google Play Store will open. Okay, you have to click install. I have clicked it. Now the app, that is document scanner, don't worry, it is a purely India made app, so it will be downloaded to your mobile. Please allow some time for the process of for this process. Right now 56%, 61%, it will go up to 100%, right? It will take few seconds more. Now the open option is activated. Just close this screen and close Google Meet. See a icon, document scanner. Click that. Click allow. Again click allow. This screen will come. Close this screen. This screen will come only for the first time. Now open this app again. It will allow you to take picture. See this screen. You have to click the camera icon right at the bottom of the page. I have clicked it. Now I am taking image of a handwritten documents. It will take time. Click continue. After that you have to click the tick option, correct option. Just click OK. It doesn't matter. Now click the tick option, right mark. See the quality of the picture, and the size is also very less. Now I am taking picture of another page. I have clicked camera icon. Okay, click continue. Click right mark. Click right mark. See the quality of the document, and I am assuring you the size is also less. Now I am two documents have been saved so far. Now I am taking image of third document, handwritten document. Click it. Give some time. Click continue, and after that click write option. See, I have completed the answer image of 3 pages. Right, now what I have to do, I have to save all these images into gallery. This is the process of saving. You have to click save, send to gallery. Now the second image, click it, click the dot and click save to gallery. It is saved to your mobile photo gallery. Now the third picture, click it, dotted, click save to gallery. Yes, it is also saved to your mobile photo gallery. This process is mandatory. Now yes quit now, click yes quit now. So you have already captured the images of your answer sheet. Right, now please open your examination portal. Here we are opening the portal for Kalyani Public School. This may not be your link. Please open your school's URL. I am putting a username and password. You all know this process, so I am not discussing anymore. Click sign in. Now I am starting the mathematics practice test, right? I am not doing any, I am not answering any MCQ or fill in the blanks type questions because you are familiar with this. I am only showing you the uploading process. Okay, now click choose file. Open your gallery, mobile gallery. You will get all these 3 images. See the first 3 images. Select one by one, not in a single go. I repeat, not in a single go. You have to select one by one. First image has been selected. Now we have to click submit image. It will take not more than 10 seconds. Not more than 10 seconds. Done. Now click submit image or PDF. Now I am choosing second file. Right, it has been chosen. Now I have clicked submit image. It will also take not more than 10 seconds. Now I am uploading third image. I have chosen it. Submit image or PDF. Okay, the process is completed. Now you can see the images what you have uploaded. I have clicked back button. At the end of your paper, you can get pen and paper images. Just click the view option. You will get back your image which you have uploaded. Click back. Again click the view option of the second image. It will be shown to you. Click the view option of the third image. Right, now click submit. Click OK twice. Now your paper is showing complete it. Okay, I have clicked the review button. The status of the exam, when it will show schedule, when it will show completed, when it will show completed, will be conveyed to you through your class teacher. Thank you very much for seeing this video.